Ever wondered how a floating city launches fighter jets at lightning speed? It's not just a runway at sea, it's a marvel of engineering that can turn a 30-ton jet into a missile in just 2 seconds. Meet the catapult system, 4 steam-powered slingshots built under the deck, generating over 95 million horsepower to hurl jets off this moving fortress. But launching is just half the battle. Landing, that's where pilots defy death. Pilots have only one shot to snag one of these cables with their tailhook, or risk crashing into the ocean. This is controlled chaos, precision, speed, and nerve of steel. The next time you see one of these giants, remember, it's not just a ship, it's a battlefield in motion. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.